crafty friends, welcome to week 3 of the Pastelloween collab with Betty, who's Scrappassion01 on YouTube. I have been completely blown away by what everybody has been making, and it's definitely so inspiring, and I just can't wait to make some of these projects that I've been seeing everybody make. They're absolutely beautiful and totally adorbs. Anyway, let me go ahead and get on into what I made. So the first thing is, I took a little trip to the Dollar Tree and I found this wooden sign, and I thought, well, this would be really fun to kind of decorate and put in my craft room. So I took the twine string that was on there and cut that off, and then I added my own little lavender with white polka dot trim right there, or ribbon, shall I say. And then what I did was I took this Americana purple cow paint with a dauber and painted that on there, and then I kind of worked my way up backwards and used this Lisa Pink by Creme Coat, okay, or Delta Creme Coat anyway, or Cream Coat, whatever, you all know what I mean. And then from the Dollar Tree I used a Mod Podge, and this is the matte version, so I went ahead and used that on the dauber once these two colors were dry. And then the very last thing is I sprinkled on some of this Finnabair mica powder, and this color is Blue Opal Magic, and of course this is from Prima. So absolutely love this stuff, and I thought, how cool is that it kind of gives it that hollow look. I don't even know if my camera is catching that, but you can see a lot of pink and purple and light blues. It's really cool. Anyway, I love hollow. And also I put on one of these little Dollar Tree purple glitter spiders. I really love those. So you'll probably be seeing a lot of those in my projects. The next thing I made here, so the second thing that I found from the Dollar Tree was this cute little haunted house, and I thought I would go ahead and paint that with a pastel gray, and then I just kind of outlined it with a little bit of a darker watercolor pencil and then kind of rubbed it in. The next thing I used was a feminine looking stencil. I thought that was really pretty, and then again I used the Distress Oxide by Tim Holtz, and the color is Worn Lipstick. Now these little ephemera pieces come from Photo Play's Julie Nutting collection from several years back, and I found it in my Halloween stash, and I thought it'd be really cute to use these. And then this is just some Dollar Tree bling that I trimmed up and added on here, so I think it turned out pretty stinking cute, so I can put that on my desk. Now the next thing that I made I thought was really fun was this cute little Julie Nutting butterfly. So this is the Beautiful Julie Nutting stamp, and I went ahead and used kind of like a pastel purple watercolor pencil, and then I kind of outlined it with a little bit of a darker one just to kind of give it some depth. And then the polka dots right here were from a stencil that I used, and I turned it into a shaker, so I'm really happy with how that turned out. Just kind of put some pom-pom trim on here, and I thought this was a lot of fun to make. And then this Night Owl wood chippy is actually from something that I got from Tuesday Morning, a little coffee collection, and I thought that's really super cute. Kind of goes with a theme of my Julie Nutting theme that I've got going on today. Anyway, so let's get on into the die that I used. The die is the Infinity die by Hero Arts, and this is the butterflies one, so I will put that link down below. I purchased this from Amazon, and then I filled it with some little stars and also butterflies. These little no, these aren't the butterfly ones, but anyway, you know what I mean. They're like little polymer slices that I also got from Amazon. I'll have those links down below. So I cannot wait for you to check out our Instagram participant, and that is CraftDV, and hers, how do you spell that, is a CraftDvee, but of course I'm going to have those links down below. So if you haven't checked out everybody in the past couple weeks, definitely do, because I know a lot of people are giving away a lot of prizes. In fact, I think everybody is. So anyway, and I am as well, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully you'll be the winner. So anyway, see you all next week with a final installment. Thanks guys, bye.